This next assignment is going to carry us into a couple of different applications. One, we're going to use our Google Docs, and the other one we're also going to use is our Gmail. So the first step you'll notice is when you receive this document, it is can view only. So all you can do is view it. You're going to have to go to your drive and open up a new document or create a new document. So I'm going to go back to my drive. Now you'll want to find the folder that you've been putting all your projects in, wherever your folder is located. I'm just going to go in under my middle school folder, 8th grade. And let's say I have a social media folder just for assignments. Now these two folders are something slightly different, so I don't want to put it there. I'm going to click on New, go down to Google Docs. Now if I come back to my direction sheet, and some of you like to do the split screen, which works out very well, change the title to All About Me, first name, last name. So I'm going to go right up here, and I'm going to call it All About Me. There's my title. This project will be different because usually you either will show me when you're done or you click on Turn In for Classroom. This assignment, you're going to actually attach it as a Gmail attachment. So here's the steps for it. And it does say there's a help sheet. The help sheet is on the next page if you need it, or this video can be helpful too. Type the questions and answers to the following questions. When answering the questions, please use correct sentences unless you are told to answer in a list, as a list. 14-point font Times New Roman font. That's your font style and choice that I'd like you to use. So for instance, question number 1 says, what is your name? Example below, what is your name? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type in, what is your name? Question mark. You're getting used with good practice with using the keys. You're also going to get some practice with some special characters and some special formatting. Now I'm going to hit enter, and all it's telling me now is complete sentences. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to type in, my name is Brett Heaton. That's all you really have to do for the first question. Pretty easy, pretty basic for you. Second question, where were you born? Tell the date, city, state, place, hospital, wherever, whatever information you know. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to go back to the question here. Where were you born? I was born on October 21st, and I'll come back and make that a superscript. 1980 in Sioux City, Iowa, at St. Luke's Hospital. Now if you know more information, you can surely put that. That's just the basics for where we're going. I want you to type in the question and do a complete sentence for the answer. Now down here it says in a bullet list form. Here's where your bullets are located if you're not for sure. Now this would be a numbered list. I don't want a numbered list for this. I would like the bulleted list. Now you can customize, you can get something different in there if you really want, but the true bullet is just a circle basically. And you can go back and adjust that as you need or as needed. Now when you come down here after you're done typing the questions and your answers, please find a few images to go with your responses. For example, I was born at this hospital in Sioux City. Now some of the questions will say what are cities you've visited or you've lived in, different schools you've attended. That's all what you're going to use here is the tools research. And I want you to find as many images as you can possibly find. Also, don't forget when you do find an image, so let's say St. Luke's Sioux City, Iowa. So when I find this particular example here, I drag it over. Now that's not exactly where I want it, so I need to click Wrap Text. Then I'm free to move it where I need to. You need to position it close by so that you can see the question, your answer, your image. You should have an image for every single one. Now this might be the exception. My name is Brett Heaton. You're not going to probably find yourself, and don't waste time looking for yourself online. If you have an image about yourself that you like, you can put that in there instead. Alright, here's the last part, and this does tell you step by step how to do the Gmail. I'm going to walk you through on this video right now. So first step, you're going to open up your apps and find the Gmail. I already have Gmail loaded or up, so I'm going to just click on it. I want to click Compose. And it does say to address it to myself, so I'm going to type in my name. My subject should say all about me. Now down here you can type in a quick message. Good morning, Mr. Heaton. I'm attaching my document for you. Have a great day. Signed, and put your name on it. The important part for attaching a document is to go right here. You're going to attach files. Now this is where you're going to search for it. Because you're using the Chrome boxes, yours is going to come right in here. Insert files using Drive. Now I'm going to search for it. If you have a ton of documents, you can do a quick search right here. If you know right where you saved it in your 8th grade folder, social media, whatever, you can find it. So I'm going to go back to, I put it in my middle school folder. My middle school folder, let's see, where's it at? Here's my middle school folder. And I put it in my 8th grade folder. And then mine is called All About Me, Mr. Heaton. So I click on it, and I'm going to click Insert. Now when you insert it, it puts it right there. If you make a mistake, you can hit the X and take it off of that. Good morning, Mr. Heaton. Sign your name to it and hit Send. Please don't waste time with these emoticons or emojis. I don't need to see those. When that's done, you hit Send. Your assignment has been turned in. Then you'll go right back here, and it will tell you, choose an activity to work on, preferably a coding activity, something that you're improving on in your daily technology use. All right, and again, if you have any questions, refer back to this video or look at your help sheet. Thank you very much.